Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have in one electric cooker. It is conduction cooker. The brand wise icon we are telling normally infrared cooker, conduction cooker. This one actually I'm going to repair today because it's not working. When I'm giving power, it's not coming to display power switch. We cannot on off. Not actually, it is totally dead. I'm going to remove and check what was the sorry, I'm going to check what was the problem exactly. Just we will go to the removing, and after that only we can check. We have to remove first of all we have to disconnect the power line. After that we will remove the machine and we will check what is the problem exactly. We have to turn it upside down. Careful, we have to do this one because this is the ceramic hob. This one is very careful. We have to do this job, otherwise this will get break, damage. And here we have to remove all the screws are here. After that we can take it out and we will check what is the problem exactly, and we will go to the next step. Going to remove all the screws. Now I remove all the screws. Sometimes here one screw, but yes, look like here not. And we will turn it again up. Now we have to take all the screws all together here, and we can remove like this. And this one actually the problem, I think it's cockroaches are gone. Yes, too much cockroaches are here. Now here one membrane. Yes, too much actually inside cockroach. But this type of things don't throw out. It's at your home you can easy to repair also. Because of that, now I'm going to show you how to repair this one. And the power is not coming actually. This cockroaches inside shorted. Because of that, I'm thinking here I'm going to check this one. Here one fuse here. This fuse, it is already gone. It is color black. Yes, it's already gone here, no continuity. And we will remove this power supply board, and we will repair this power supply board, and we will check. Remove the screws are here, and here also two screws. And first we will repair this power control board, and after that we can go to the next step. Here you can see this one already gone because the cockroaches are already shorted here. And we will try to repair this one. After that we can go to the next step. After repairing this power control board, if it is work, it's okay. Otherwise we have to check, we have to go to the next step. We will remove the power connection here, also here. Here one lock. You can see this one already gone. This is one capacitor, 10 microfarad capacitor. It's already shorted, and we can check it is okay or not. With the meter we will check capacitor okay or not. This capacitor okay. I think while one time we check this way, if it will show it is okay capacitor, it will show like this. Again it will disappear. After that, if you want to check, you have to change the two wires like this, and again you have to check. It's mean this capacitor is okay. Now we have to resoldering capacitor here, because it is already shorted. Also this fuse already gone. This fuse already gone. That one also we have to change, and we will change these two items. After that we can check whether it's working or not. Now I already connect. This is 10 ampere 250 230 watt fuse. Also I rejoint, see, resoldering, already resoldered this capacitor. Now I'm going to give a connection here, and we will check temporarily it is working or not. And also here connection. And already I given connection, everything. We will check now. Now I'm going to give power connection.
I think I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I think you having also bad experience like that when we are going to repair electronic devices items. It is actually it's not for a joke. Just I repair everything, but unfortunately, again it got blast. Now I have to check again. And thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video. Thanks again.